Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you an interior we just finished for a local customer's 2015 Chevy Silverado crew cab. Our goal with this project was to completely replace all the factory cloth upholstery, upgrading to a two-tone LeatherSeats.com interior. This kit was built in our Deluxe Leather Trim Content in a two-tone combination of black as the primary color with Pacific as the secondary color to tie in with the factory deep ocean blue paint. To finish off the look, we added contrasting silver double stitching and top stitching to tie in with the factory interior stitching. You can customize your own interior on LeatherSeats.com using the link to our online configurator below. If you like the design of this interior, we have this set up as a pre-selected package on our website in the link below or at the end of the video. If you have any questions about your Silverado's interior, or if you'd like to receive some free leather samples, feel free to call any of our aftermarket leather experts at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.